How to get promo codes and battle bulls as of 2025. The first things first is open up your preferred web browser. Right now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video. And here, all you have to do is just to go to this specific website that we will be having that code. So all you have to do is type in wethrift.com. So this is going to be the website that we will be using for us to be able to get a certain promo codes from Battle Bulls as of 2025. Now once you're here, just head directly to the search box right here that says search stores and just simply type in Battle Bull. So you'll have the result right here, just click on that and you'll be redirected to this page right here in which you will be having that code. Now for you to be able to save up to a certain amount of dollar, all you have to do is to copy this code and then log into your Battle game and enter your promo code. That's it. That's how you'll get Battle Bull's promo code in 2025.